What's up, tubes? So, we are moving on to the next call here. Welcome to this episode. I'm starting to wonder if I'm going to do these many videos. Excuse me. If I should bunch them up. But some of them are a lot longer than others, so I don't know. Probably just keep doing it the way I'm doing it, one call by call, and go from there. Let me know what you think, though. Do you like these shorter type videos, or do you like the longer, maybe multiple topics in one video? I'm going to see what address I'm on. Okay. 47. It's always got to be the ones without numbers on the side of their house. You know? It's just got to be. Probably look like an idiot trying to look. That's right here. Okay. I was able to read the wore out stickers on the mailbox. You know, I've worked, like I said, you guys seen in my intro probably, but 10 years fire EMS. That's my biggest pet peeve. Is people that don't have their address clearly marked. That way people can find them. If fire EMS, anybody can find them. Even for service calls. So I'm gonna go in and I'll bring you in. Alright, so let's check some power here. So we have 100, 120 coming in. Shouldn't have any going out. No, because our contacts, we're not calling for water. This gauge says 40, but we have an old pressure tank, fiberglass pressure tank. Date code on it's 2007. So I am going to check pressure in that now. Don't have anything to prop you guys up on right now. Alright, I'll be back with you. Okay, so I checked the breaker box. Wasn't able to find the breaker. And I don't feel like popping all the circuits quite yet. While I check, just do a basic well inspection. So what I'm gonna do is, obviously I got the contacts plugged, and I am going to drain the system down. So there it goes, just drops off. I'm going to check the residual pressure in the tank, make sure the tank's not waterlogged. Here's the tank. Ta-da! Let's see. I can still hear water coming out. So that's reading 30. The tank is from 2007, so sounds waterlogged to me. I don't know if you could hear that. Let's go over here. Still got a little water draining there. So once that completely stops, we will. This is a real tight, narrow spot right back here in the corner. So we'll probably be looking at doing a whole new tank setup, which is no big deal at all. Do a new tank, and then I can I'll just do I can PEX right out of the bottom of the new tank, and I'll push to fit connect right to that nipple. So I can still hear water coming out behind me, but yeah, here's the November 2007. Alright, let me go check a couple other things. Still got some water going. Yeah, she's waterlogged. We'll grab some tools and a bucket, and I'll be right back with you. Alright. Welcome back. I'm gonna break this union connection here. Get this old tank taken out. You can see. Actually, let's do this first. What do we have? Let her all drain down here. I'm just gonna keep doing it. Make it easier for me here. We can't see down there. There we go. We might be able to, might have to fight with this just a little bit to get it out of here. Well, looks like I'll be fighting with is this shelf over here. That was heavy. Alright. Get this out of here. Let me get the new tank put together and I'll be back with you. Alright guys, got the old tank out. Actually I'm pulling the union nipple off and I'm just going to pex right in to this 3/4 inch T down here. I'm not sure if you can see, but that's what I'm doing. I'll be able to pex direct right from that. Back up here. Just like that. I'm gonna bring the tank in. That's leaking. It took a minute, guys. Trying to get this new one shoved in. The best as we can here. Oops. I left a long pex tail on it so I can get my length. Okay. Make sure I'm still recording here. Yep. Make sure you can see what I'm doing. Okay. So I pexed into the bottom of the tank. Put my pex male adapter here. And now I'm just going to mark where I want to snip. I'm going to grab my cutters. And my crimpers here, and a cinch collar. I'm out of breath from carrying that old tank up and out of here. That was a little heavy. Okay, I'm gonna bring my collar 1/8 of an inch on the end here. Slide that in just like that. You can set down just like that. Perfect. So there's our new tank. I'm going to run a 40-60 cycle. So get all this removed. Let me put some of these tools back and I'll be back with you. or 42 static. I'm going to bring it down to 38. Right there. Leave that. And now I'm going to change the pressure switch. So I need to actually get the power turned off. So, because right now I just have it like this, but the contacts are corroded and the customer had to tap on it this morning in order to get it to work. So I'm gonna go kill the power, which should probably leave us with 0 light, but we should be able to get this done in just no time. So stand by. Okay, so I don't have any power. We're gonna disconnect our connections. Nice that this is at working level. Instead of down on the floor. Cobweb City down here, apparently. Let me grab my little Milwaukee pliers. If you guys don't have a pair, go get you one of these. They are spectacular. So there's power to our well. Power from our breaker. Here's our hut. Hang that from itself. And then what I'll do at this point, I'm going to take my we're unscrewing the whole thing. Where are we unscrewing from? Let's see. Right from the bushing. That's not what I want to do. I actually want to be be a little water. Okay. I'm gonna inspect. Down here, make sure there's no contamination. Doesn't look like anything. So what I'll do is I'll probably have to get a new nipple for this. Because this one's probably built in. Yeah, let me go grab a new nipple. Be right back. Alright. Get our power hook back up here. Lost you guys there for a second. Got another warning about my storage on my phone, so I don't know. I was too lazy to look at that issue last night. I'll take a look into it tonight. I'll make sure that way I can stop losing footage here, because that's kind of embarrassing. But I'm just getting the final wires up on here now, and then I'll go power up and be good to go. And this customer will be taken care of and shouldn't have any issues for a long time coming. Well, this isn't the best time of the year to have something major go wrong with a well system, but thankfully they don't need a pump. They just needed a tank and a pressure switch. So we're able to take care of them today. Okay, there's that, and that. Now, we gotta go power her up. We got our pressure set, our power's on. We want, yep, that's off, that's fine. And okay. Same thing I always do. Let's power her up here. We're building. Should shut off about 55. See the, yeah, you can see the gauge from there. So we're coming up. There's 60, 61. Don't have any leak back. So that's good. I'm gonna take insulated screwdriver. I'm going to tuck some of these down so I don't get bit. There we go. Throw a cap on it. A little screw right here from the clamp holding it in place, or preventing it from put everything in my kangaroo pouch here. There we go. There's that. I'm going to open it up to the house. And my Sharpie here. Open it right up, and we're good to go. I'll get the customer billed and show you how we did here. There we go. Brand new tank, brand new pressure switch. Thanks, guys.